Hello again, welcome back as we announce the Project of the Year Awards for 2021. Now these awards aim to highlight projects that have been positively worked on over the last 2 years. The first award in this category is the Lighting Project of the Year, which is sponsored by Atlas World. Okay, so who's the winner of the Lighting Project Award for 2021? It goes to Light Source for their amazing work on Hinch Distillery and County Down. The judges, they said the project was a conceptual design from Light Source, who were tasked with bringing the lighting elements to this wonderful distillery and visitor centre. The highlight of the entire project was the giant hanging feature barrels in the reception area, beautifully illuminated with pendants and tala lamps, and it was a glowing example of how Light Source worked closely with the client to bring this stunning project to life. An amazing piece of work there for Light Source, which will no doubt be admired for many, many years to come. Well, we move on to the Domestic Project of the Year, which is split into 2 awards this year, small and large, dependent on size and value. Well, let's see who's won. First is the Small Domestic Project of the Year, which is sponsored by Aurora Lighting. And the winner is CDE NI Limited for the Church of the Resurrection apartment development on the Antrim Road in Belfast. The judges praised the professionalism and quality of workmanship shown by Chris Downey and his staff throughout this prestigious development. With the complex and very bespoke nature of the listed chapel, Chris's in-depth knowledge of the regulations and his experience were clear for all to see, ensuring the timely delivery of installations on site. As the construction works continued through some of the worst parts of the COVID pandemic, CDE remained committed and conscientious, which was an integral part of the success of this project. So well done to Chris and his team. A well-earned award for you guys, certainly by the sounds of it. Up next is the Large Domestic Project Award. This award is sponsored by BM Electrical. And the award for Best Large Domestic Project goes to Derek Burnside Electrical for their work on the Garden Bar and Gym, Logie Road in Randalstown. The judges were thoroughly impressed with this entry. Derek's knowledge and professionalism was evident as they set out to create a fully automated space for their client to entertain family, as well as a space for a personal gym. The project was completed with an outstanding testimonial which described the ability to integrate all aspects of the lighting, audio and heating into one app as truly amazing, which has the complete wow factor and one the client will treasure for many years to come. A brilliant achievement there for Derek and his team, and very, very well done. Finally, we come to the Commercial Project of the Year Awards. This category is also split into 3 awards dependent on size and value. First up, the Small Commercial Project of the Year, which is sponsored by City Electrical Factors. The award here goes to KMDL Engineering for their impressive work on First Portadown Presbyterian Church. With First Portadown being a central part of many people's lives, it was paramount that the job was to be completed absolutely right, and that wasn't a problem for contract manager Jonathan and his team. They delivered an exceptional, bright and vibrant project which more than meets the needs of the congregation. It was on time and on budget and provided a building that would light up the lives for many people for many years to come. Another superb win there for KMDL, and many, many congratulations. Well, next up is the award for the Medium Commercial Project of the Year, sponsored by Leadvance. And the winner is Braham Electrical for the AIB Bank headquarters in Belfast. The judges reflected how Braham played a key role in the £1.6 million electrical refurbishment of the AIB Bank headquarters. Throughout the contract, Braham minimised disruption to staff and banking activities to always ensure the continuation of services and communications. Testimonials concluded that their attention to detail on site was excellent, as was their quality of installation. So that was a superb win for this local firm from Warren Point. Let's hear what MD Kieran had to say when he picked up this very prestigious award.
Delighted to win the award again. Medium Commercial Project of the Year is always a lovely award to get, award that we've won before, and nice this time to win it for the AIB Bank in Belfast, a very prestigious building. Our own bank is a customer of them, and a very fancy architectural building. Very happy to win it. The job had its own challenges, as every job does, but of course in the middle of this one COVID hit, so we suffered the lockdown at the start of it. We got past that, but then the numbers on the site was down. The programme dragged out on us. We were hit with cost increases. So the normal day-to-day challenges that always existed were just multiplied with COVID. But we got over it, we got on with it. The job turned out very well, and always a pleasure to work with our main contractor, Felix O'Hare's. Worked with them many times before and hope to do so again. The future, you always look forward to it. I think it's bright. We've got some good ambitions within the company. With some growth plans ahead of us, and I hope that it goes from strength to strength.
And finally, we announced the winner of the Large Commercial Project of the Year award, and we're thrilled to be sponsored here by cuppa. The winner of the Large Commercial Project for 2021 is William Coates Limited for the Grand Opera House restoration and renovation. William Coates, they rose to the challenge of producing an electrical system which meets the needs of the Opera House both today and in the future. As one of the most iconic buildings in Northern Ireland, it was no easy undertaking to deliver an electrical restoration project on such an old property, with challenges including its listed status and of course its value to local heritage. Grand Opera House Chief Executive Ian Wilson provided a glowing testimonial, commenting on the stunning new auditorium, which dates back to 1895, and how it will improve the experience of theatre goers for many years to come. A worthy win for William Coates and the refurbishment of the nation's favourite building, which I'm sure we're all looking forward to see, and looking forward to see our old mate May McFettridge back in there for the panto at Christmas. Well, anyway, congratulations to all the worthy winners. Hard work really does pay off. So let's see who got runner-up in these hotly contested categories. Lots more to see here, folks. Now's the time to go and make yourself a wee cuppa, grab a few bickies, and get ready to join us for the next one.